Welcome viewers to Biafra Battle Cry TV. Biafra is our religion, and here in Biafra is where we worship. We are loyalists to the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. We start.
Why other ports no dey work? It became na only Lagos port they work.
Yes, sir.
Somebody should answer me. Why are you killing other regions in order to uplift a particular region? Somebody should answer me. Waiting make they no continue with the dredging of river
Niger.
Somebody should answer me. We no get port for East. Why they no dredge am? Why they no maintain am? Why it be say everything wey wan come into this country must pass through Lagos? Why? Somebody should answer me. Calabar port no dey work. Port Harcourt port no dey work. Warri port is not working. Somebody should talk to me. Somebody should answer me. But that thing no happen under Tinubu.
No.
Even when Jonathan will come from the other side, they be president, he no do anything. Buhari will be Northerner. May he so rest in peace. He no do anything. My brothers, my sisters.
You know, Lagos has two ports. Apapa Port
And Tinkan. Yes.
Only Lagos. Yes.
Apapa and Tinkan.
Only Lagos.
Why don't you spread it? What is happening?
And the truth must be told. When you come to importation, it's only one set of people that are doing the importation. And those people that are doing the importation, they don't have ports.
Yes.
And we must call a spade a spade. The importers are Igbos. 90% of the importers are from the east, but they don't have single port. Calabar port is there. No, it's not working.
Port Harcourt
is
port
not working. Warri is not working. Only Lagos, two ports. All two of them working. What is the magic? Somebody must tell us.
The revenue where importation they bring into Lagos, if you spread them other regions, I just come out waiting my belly.
Welcome viewers to Biafra Battle Cry TV. Biafra is our religion, and here in Biafra is where we worship. We are loyalists to the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. We should be careful and distant ourselves from Fulani double agent and commander-in-chief of gunmen in exile, behind the flag of our oppressor. Thanks for watching.